Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Game Development Log video diary, and this week I'm going to be starting work on the combat system. So to start off the week, I just added this extremely simple health bar. All I can do with it at the moment is increase or decrease the amount of health, but nothing happens when it gets to 0 and it looks absolutely horrible, so I'll be doing my best to improve on it tomorrow. It is Tuesday, and as you can see I have now upgraded the health bar to something a little bit snazzier, and I've also added some different effects to it. So it can now show when you get damaged with the little yellow flash showing how much health you're losing. You can also be poisoned now, which turns some of the health bar a bit darker, showing you how much health you're going to lose due to the poisoning or bleeding. And finally it can now show healing, which looks like this. Today I've improved the health bar even more and also added a little player profile here as well. So you've got the player's name here, which you will of course be able to choose. You've got this lovely selfie of your player, which in the future will change depending on what your player is wearing. And finally you've got the health bar, which you can now mouse over to check the exact value of your health. As well as that, I now have these numbers appearing to show how much damage you're taking, and this also happens for poisoning and healing as well. Thursday, and today I've implemented health bars in multiplayer, so you can now check the health of other players when you're close to them like this. And the whole damage and healing indicators thing works in multiplayer as well, so you can see exactly how much damage another player is taking. And as well as that, I've got health potions to work now, so as you can see, when you're a bit low on health, you can drink one and magically be healed, which is nice. So today I've added a couple of animations into the game that I can show you. So imagine you're just playing around on the roofs, as you do, when all of a sudden you slip, terrible accident, you slip off and you fall over to the ground, taking a bit of full damage as well of course. But luckily you've got a stash of health potions on you, so you can have a couple of them and heal up nicely. Drink, drink, drink. So yeah, not the most outstanding animations in the world, but they'll do as amusing placeholders for now. And finally this week I've implemented dying into the game. When your health reaches 0, you do now fall to the ground in despair and just kind of sit there. I'm not actually really sure what I want to happen when the player dies yet, so currently you don't actually do anything when you die, you just kind of crouch on the floor. But luckily I've added a quick way to revive myself for now, and I'm back up on my feet at the press of a button. And that is as far as I've got this week, but next week I'm going to start implementing some simple attacks which I'm very much looking forward to, and hopefully there'll be a bit of PvP going on as well. So hopefully that video will be up next Friday, although I have got a fair amount to do next week, so it may not be up until the week after, but we'll just have to wait and see. I'm also working on a new channel trailer at the moment, so you'll be able to check that out as well in the next few days or so. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. Do subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on Twitter to see how I'm progressing during the week if you want. The link is in the description below. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you all next time.